Okay, so this is a video on how to maintain your Maytech MTI 6579 WPC motor. And once you get done surfing with it, the very first thing you do is turn it off. Off. Turn off the controller, turn off the ESC. Do not ever touch this thing or go near the prop while there's power to the system, because that will hurt you bad. Unconnect everything. I even pull the cable out and don't even touch the battery at all, because you don't want to be messing with that prop ever when it is hot, when the system is hot, because these blades are stainless steel and they are sharp as a razor blade. They will chop everything off. I've cut my cable so many times it's ridiculous. It's not even funny anymore. These blades are super sharp, so don't ever touch this thing while the system is energized. I just take the cable out and turn off the controller, put them all on the side so I'm just not even close. Anyway, the first thing you need to do is rinse everything off with fresh water. So let's do that now. Okay, rinse everything off with fresh water, the outside and everything. System's not energized, so that's good. Rinse it off with fresh water. Then you pull off the can or the rotor. It's got neodymium magnets inside, so it's kind of hard to pull, but it does go. So you prop it one hand and pull it with the other. Oh shit. There we go. So you can see inside there, I'm not sure. Let's see if we can get a good picture. There are 20 neodymium magnets in there. Let's see. There. Those silver guys. Well, the sticks, the bars and sticks. 20 neodymium magnets. This is a 10-pole rotor, so there's 10 pole pairs, so there's 20 magnets total. And this is the stator here. You can see that's all the copper wires, the windings are all coated in epoxy, so they are exposed to the saltwater environment, but they're coated with epoxy. Do not scratch the epoxy coating off of that, or it will not work. You'll shock yourself. I'm not sure if you'll shock yourself, but it's definitely not going to work anymore. Just be very careful with it. So you take the hose and you just hose it all off. Stick the hose on the inside. All the salt water out of this thing too. Hose it all off. Really good. Okay. Once you get that, we can coat it with some lanolin spray. Fluid film works best. Corrosion protection. Let's get that done. Put on the thing. There we go. Just squirt it all the inside there. And spray it all around the outside, all around the surface, the outer surface. There you go. And you hit it in this side here too. Lanolin coated dielectric grease keeps everything from getting all screwed up. There you go. Give it a couple spins and you're good to go. Displaces the water real good, coats everything, protects everything. Dielectric grease. So use the just be really extra liberal with the fluid film. Maytech motor. These guys, the ESC is waterproof. Don't have to worry about that. I hose it off with the hose anyway, and the case as well. Maytech.